Shri Sai Ram. Class 4 Standard, Subject Mathematics. Today I am going to continue the circle lesson. Today I will explain how to construct the circle. Children, you know we use coins, bangles or plates to draw circle. A circle is a plane figure in which all the points are at the same distance from the center. So I explained parts of the circle. It is center, radius, diameter and curve. Now I am going to explain how to construct a circle. How to draw a circle? We use compass. What you are seeing? This instrument is called compass. Using this we are going to draw the circle. It has to observe the steps. First mark a point. This is called center. And stretch the compass. Observe children, like this you have to draw a circle. Here don't take your compass from the fixed point. That fixed point is called center. The fixed point is called center. Now we have to draw a circle with radius 4.5 centimeter. Now take your scale or ruler. Measure 4.5 centimeter using your compass. Observe the picture. Now fix one point, that is center. Now draw a circle. See, this is step 3. You should draw like this circle. So that is 4.5 centimeter is called radius. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So, one diameter it include 2 radius, and a circle has many radius and diameter. Children, here I am going to draw 2 centimeter circle. That means radius has 2 centimeter. Observe here. Take your compass and measure 2 centimeter. Then you can draw like this. So that 2 centimeter is radius. Now children, we are going to draw a circle with 3 centimeter radius. See, take scale and your compass. See, adjust your compass and scale. It should be in equal distance. Adjust the compass, then take your scale and measure 3 centimeter. Observe carefully children. See, it is 3 centimeter. Now use your compass. Keep the compass edge to the center of the circle. See, that is fixed point. That is called center. See. Now the circle having 3 centimeter radius. Don't move the compass in the center. You should not move the compass in the center. See. You should draw circle like this. Now we will get 3 centimeter radius circle. Now 5 centimeter. See, again take your scale. Draw 5 centimeter. First fix one point, that is center. It is 5 centimeter right there. Then stretch the compass. The compass needle should kept in the center of the circle. Another edge of the pencil should kept another side, and you should draw the circle. Observe carefully, you have to draw like this.